and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a skincare sheet mask testing review tutorial video. So another one of these with a brand new sheet mask, which is fantastic. Before I get into the video and show you the product and do the tutorial view and review it and everything, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video or the product or the review or the testing or tutorial or anything in this video, then please let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you like, what you want to see, and if you want to see more, give it that massive thumbs up button, and more people can see it and other people can too and like it. If you haven't subscribed to tazwells12, you can do that very easily by going on my main page, hit the subscribe button at the top of my main page, and then you'll be subscribed to tazwells12 and the Love family. And also you can hit the bell notification button, because that will tell you when I've uploaded a new video, so definitely hit the bell notification. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is just an advice and nothing more than that in this video. So yeah, I'm not sponsored in any way out of the brand. Comment down below if you like the video, and comment back to me on anything that you like and feedback. I will 100% like your comment back to you every single time. Please check out my other two social medias on Instagram, so tazwells12 and then tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we get into the skincare testing review tutorial video. I just want to quickly say about something before we get into the sheet mask. I'm going to do something at the same time, but I'm not going to... I can review it. It takes pretty much the same time, but I'm going to do a foot pack at the same time because I really like these ones and I like the best. Just wanted to mention that these are from Skin Techniques. This is a lemon and mint foot pack, repairing and revitalising foot pack using natural goodness, and it's only a 20-minute thing. You just have the boots in there, just cut the top off and put it on for 20 minutes, a bit longer if you want it. It's like the sheet mask, you don't have to have it on a certain time, but I'm going to do it at the same time while I'm doing a sheet mask. But I thought I'd mention these are really good, and these came out of B&M or Home Bargains or any of them place, but they're only £1, like pretty much a face mask. But yeah, I'm going to do that at exactly the same time. My little booties on, so that's all good. So I'll just show you the sheet mask. That's what we're going to review, test and tutorial today is this one. This is the smoothing. It came in like a sort of face pack box set. I got quite a few for like a Christmas that someone gave me. This is called FRUDIA, FRUDIA, and Orchid Squeeze Mask Pineapple Super Aqua. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's basically the same. Sheet mask be about 20 minutes, a bit more, depending on what you want to do. But we're going to open up then, and you can obviously see that it's got pineapple extract in it, and I'm hoping it's going to smell like pineapple, because that'd be pucker. Clip my hair up, and then we'll take this out of the packet. Pushed all my hair aside, and now I've just got some scissors. I'm just going to push it down so we don't cut it. Cut as much as the top as possible, so I don't actually cut the sheet mask. It's very moistured, so that's good. We need that. Look at it, it's like proper moistured. Oh my god, it smells like pineapple. Amazing, amazing. So this is really good. Good start. You can tell from my channel that I really do love my face masks. I do try and do them sort of every so often. I do try and film most of them, but sometimes I do just generally feel like putting a face mask on and just chilling out. So sometimes I don't always film them, but I do try to do most of them. Hopefully it fits my face, but it smells incredible. It smells so like pineapple. It's nice. Most of them don't fit my face, which is a little bit annoying, but we live with. So I'm just squishing it all down, trying to get the most out of the moisture all over my face, because that's what you want. But so far so good. It smells incredible. It smells really, really good. I I've squished all the moisture out of the packet that it had in there, because I think sometimes this is always good to use with the areas you kind of missed or that are hard to get. So just covered it all over. Now I'm going to do 20 minutes of this on my face, like my feet, maybe a little bit longer depending how I feel, and we'll see what it's like at the end. It hasn't been 20 minutes, but you can see it's like coming off my face, so it obviously means that it's soaked up most of the moisture. So I will take this off. I'm going to let my feet just keep going because why not? As you can see, that has soaked a lot of that moisture into my face. So what I'm going to do, as you can probably see, it's like a little bit wet looking. Build this into my face, which I always do, and I put it always into the places that my face mask doesn't get. Just give it a good old rub. It's always good to do that, and just get as much moisture into your face as possible. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So like that. So now you're just dry, beautiful. I think the face mask was really nice. I don't think it's the best one. I think it was like the material I didn't really like. It was more like scratchy, gritty material. The pineapple like extract in it and the pineapple scent was ace. It was on top. But I just, when I put it on, and yes, I have been like eating in between, so my mouth came off really easy. Normally that doesn't happen. I have problems with it not fitting on my face anyway. It was a lovely face mask overall, but I just think I just didn't like the texture of the face mask. Normally I put them on and I'm like, oh, I could chill there with this quite a while. For some reason I was not enjoying it, but the moisture, there's loads of moisture, so that's really good. But I'm gonna rate this as probably like a maybe, because I loved the scent, I loved how moisturized it was. The pineapple extract, that all was top high, but I just didn't like the texture of the face mask, so it's actually going to be like a little bit of a maybe this time. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video, which is the skincare testing tutorial video. It's on the smoothing FRUDIA face mask I got in a bundle, and like I said, it was a maybe for me just because of the texture of the sheet mask. I just didn't like. If you like this video and you like the product, or you like the advice or anything in this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, because it tells me what you like, what you want to see. Other people can like it and other people can see it, so definitely give that thumbs up. Subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page and the bell notification to tell you when I've uploaded a new video. That'd be great, please. Comment down below. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not weirdly sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. This is just out of my own money, but it is not sponsored at all. Check out my other two social medias on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Like I said, we have come unfortunately to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoy these skin mask ones or skincare videos, because I love doing a skin care and I love doing sheet mask, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for supporting, thank you for watching the video. A lovely day or a lovely evening. I will see you again soon. Bye.